So starting off with these two right here. Now, these two I found if I hadn't had some exposure to these prior to the test, I would have mixed these up pretty easily because they sound similar, but they're not. So you got IDE plugins and you got CLI plugins. And I'm going to show you really what they are. Like literally, here's what it is. So if you don't have exposure, and most cybersecurity people or IT professionals don't really have exposure to these things, but you'll see very quickly what they are and be able to distinguish them. So an IDE is what is used to develop software. So that's it in a nutshell. That is what it is. So now, what is a plugin for that? The concept is AI built into code editors that suggests, completes, reviews code in real time to help you shift to the left, so to speak, for security, meaning bring security in earlier. And that's something we have to take into account when we're doing IDE, using IDEs, or we're in an environment where they're using IDEs.